Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Jay's Workshop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change and the air filter change on the Audi A4 B6. It's a V6 engine with a 2.4 litre. First of all, we've got to be taking off the under tray. I didn't bother filming it because I only had like 3 screws holding it up. There's about 7 screws missing, so yeah. That's the oil filter location, and that's the sump plug. So what we're going to do is remove this 19mm sump plug nut to release the oil. So sometimes it could be tight like so. Excellent. So we cracked it now, and then that's it. The rest we're going to do by hand, yeah? Cool. So we're going to put our oil pan ready to catch the oil, and then it's gonna come out like this. Forward, okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna find out, bro. It's gonna go all over the place. That's it. Just gonna let that drain out.
Cool. So
we're gonna be taking the oil filter off now. Anywhere in the middle. So just get a nice grip. Go on. Spin it. Yeah, go on slowly. It's moving. That's it. Once you crack it, a bit more. Grab it. Wait, grab it. Yeah, grab it there. Spin it one more time. That's it. Excellent. The rest we're going to do by hand, yeah? So that oil's kind of stopped, right? So we're going to be careful, bro. Mind your hand, yeah? Let's get this in now. Let me just get this in the right place. Can you see what's happening?
Yeah, it's leaking out from the filter.
Yeah, so just have to make sure. That's it. Just drop that in there and let all of that leak out. Perfect. So now we're going to let both of them leak out, yeah? All the oil's dripped out now. What we're going to do is put the sump plug back in. So simply hand tighten it first. As much as you can, all the way. Excellent. And now with the spanner, we're just going to tighten it a little bit more. Just until it's just tight and then it stops, kind of. We don't want to over tighten it. Is that good, yeah? Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So just give it a little wipe. And what we're going to be doing now is putting the oil filter on. So what we need to do is take the oil filter out. Where's that oil? Open that oil for us.
This one?
Yeah.
Do you want me to get the half open one first?
Yeah, go on then. Let's go. So what we have to do is just put some oil on the top over here, on the ring, so it'll have a nice seal and put it up there. So, yeah, it's cool, just poke it. Yeah, so just literally get a bit of oil on your finger and put it around, just put it around that ring, yeah?
Which one, inside or outside?
Yeah, here.
The black one?
On the rubber, yeah. Excellent. So what we're going to do now is I'll let you do it. And then we're going to start hand tightening into there as well, yeah?
100%.
So make sure you get it in the right way.
That's fine, yeah?
Yeah, you'll feel it in the right place and then just start twisting it, yeah? Excellent. Let's keep going, yeah? Alright, what you want to do now is lie down underneath, grab it with 2 hands or whatever you got a really good grip. Yeah. And just hand tighten as much as you can. Twist it until you can't twist it no more, yeah?
I think that's it.
Yeah, proper tight, yeah? You happy with that, yeah?
Should be.
Alright,
cool. Give it a check.
What we're going to be doing next is topping up the oil. This in particular engine takes 6 litres. So if you're going to open the cap, bro. That's it. Nice. So just leave that anyway. And what I'll do is just get the funnel. So don't make no mess. Alright, yeah, you can start pouring it in. Oops, nice. Yeah. Change the air filter, you got to take off these 2 Phillips screws first. Just give that one a little wiggle, bro.
From here?
Yeah, just this bit here. Yeah, let's leave that there. Put the screw here as well. Yeah, cool. This is just the air intake. Yeah, just clips off. Yeah, cut that off. Yeah. Now we take off. Just leave that off. Yeah. Just gonna take off this screw here, and I think there's one more screw here behind there. I don't know if that'll fully come out. It might hold in. Is it holding in? If it comes out, make sure it don't drop. No, it's holding in. It's cool. It's one of them screws that hold in. And there's one here. It's a bit tricky to get to, yeah. Okay. Does that loosen up? Here it does. And that should simply just pull it away. Yeah, you should just simply put it away, nice and easy. Just
like that?
You can leave that alone. Okay. Just pull this a little bit, like
pull it off.
No, just pull it away a bit. We don't want to pull it completely off. It should slide out the filter. Pull it a bit more this way. Is it coming? No.
No, I think it's stuck against the engine.
Okay. There's a way it should sort of squeeze out. All right, let me give it a go. That's it. No, it's there, isn't it? That's it. So that's pulled off now. Just put that down. Just basically put it away from here. Yeah. Okay, just place it away. Yeah. And then this should go back a bit more now. If I'm right. So we pull that away a bit more. Just as much as we can. Yeah. That should hopefully come out. If not, we're gonna have to pull it up and away. Just gonna have to take it off. Let me see. It makes it easier. So there's only that holding there. This is holding on to nothing. Just trying to take off as least things as possible, to be honest, though. I know over here it's just literally tucked in. There's no screws. It's just it tucks in at the bottom. But it's all these pipes that are connected to it. You know, like here, these pipes.
Yeah.
Let me see if that helps. Okay, so let's see. I'll release it a bit. Let's see. Is that helping? Not really, innit? Still doing the same thing. Should you take that one off as well? Just get out of the way. Just put it over to here. Yeah, come on. Okay, so yeah, you can see now. I take that little clip off, remember, like under the water tank. Should we pull it away now? Much easier, isn't it? Had to be done. Had to be done, innit?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the old air filter. Hasn't been changed in a while, yes, you can see all that dust and build up. Let's grab the new air filter. It's just in that box, bro.
24 one, yeah?
Yeah. So just grab what you can in here as well. You can get like loose debris and stuff. You want to empty that out as much as you can. You find a fly, you're lucky. So yeah, comparing the two, see the difference, yeah? So I'm just gonna... Yeah? Nice and fresh. Right, where's that cover? So you can see these two tuck in, just simply tucks in, yeah. And then that's it. So yeah, I'll just make these out of the way.
75.
Yeah. Hold on, I'll just make these things out of the way. Is it lining up?
Yeah, I think it should.
I'll just put that back on. Just kind of then twist it so then the clip stays on the way. somehow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
there
yeah.
we go.
I think that's it actually. Yeah, that's
Mhm.
that. Yeah. So we've got to line these back up in the right places. Yeah. Let's put this clip on. There, and then clip like that. Is that on? Yeah, wicked. We're going to put this sensor back on.
Isn't that right?
Yeah, it just clicks in. And you hear that pop. Yeah, kind of. Did you hear it kind of click though?
I think that was my
Yeah.
glove.
Yeah, no, it's
It's
cool.
gone in, yeah?
So we're going to put this back on. Let's put that side on first. Yeah, we'll just tuck it around. Yeah, it just needs a bit of, yeah, can you see the rubbers going in? Oh, that's cool. If you just give it a little wiggle. There we go. Just, it's one piece of rubber holding it in there, can you see?
Oh, I know.
Yeah, do you know what I mean? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's it. That's gone on nice. It should,
Underneath is the same thing.
is it doing the same thing, yeah? Let's get a flat head. There, it's just there. Yeah. To get the air filter in eventually, it was a bit of a struggle with this clip here. And just tighten up these two Phillips screws. And we're just going to put this air intake in now. That bit I think goes through there. Can you see it?
Oh, is it?
It's ripped anyway, the rubber, yeah. Is that pushed in?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh wait. Let's separate this first. Let's put that in on his own first. Yeah, pull that out
This
from
side?
there. Yeah, just pull it out. Yeah. Let's put that in first.
This part, yeah?
No, your part. Kind of line up them two screws. Can you see the holes?
Yeah.
That one's kind of lined up. But it should slide into something there. If you put your head around there, you'll see like a slot. You see it? Like, it should be a wide square slot. Similar to this, yeah? So it kind of
Is it
slides.
there,
Yeah.
This one.
Kind of just slides into there.
Oh, okay, I see it. I see it.
Right on the top it should be. And then the two screws should line up.
Yeah, there we go.
They're lined up, yeah? I'll pass you them, yeah? One second, please. That's one. This one has to come out back a bit, yeah. I'll let you land out, but hold this, yeah?
Yeah, for the screwdriver is.
Cool.
Thank you.
Just do a little time, not too much, yeah? What it is, you know the cold air from here goes straight into the filter. That's what it's there for. Yeah, and just do that one a little bit because we have to still flex this one and get it in. We don't want it to be all the way tight.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough for now, yeah? So let's try and get this into here now. Shouldn't be a big deal. It's just this corner. Just this corner, hold on. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, excellent. Push it down. That's it. So you can tighten that now. Yeah, that's it. So you change your air filter, guys.